Welcome to our channel. Today, we are discussing the landmark case of Celcon Impex Pvt Ltd versus Commissioner of Customs, Hyderabad, which was recently adjudicated by the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, Hyderabad. Case overview: Celcon Impex Pvt Ltd and its distributor, Big C Mobiles Pvt Ltd, were accused of evading customs duty by declaring a lower maximum retail price, MRP, for imported mobile phones. The Customs Department alleged that the MRP labels were altered post-clearance to reflect higher prices, enabling the companies to pay lower countervailing duty, CVD. Tribunal's decision: the tribunal ruled in favor of Celcon Impex, stating there was insufficient evidence to prove that Celcon Impex and Big C Mobiles were related entities. The Customs Department relied on assumptions and photographs, which were deemed inadequate. The legal provisions cited by the Customs Department were not applicable to the case. Key case citations: the tribunal referred to several important legal precedents, including ITC Ltd versus CCE, New Delhi, 2004, 171, ELT 433, SC, Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages Pvt Ltd versus CCE, Allahabad, 2006, 199, ELT 718, Tridale, Larsen and Toubro Ltd versus CCE, Mumbai I, 2025, 10, TMI 498, CESTAT Mumbai, Reach Infocom Tech Pvt Ltd versus CC, Airport and Admin, Kolkata, 2025, 11, TMI 210, CESTAT Kolkata. Outcome: the tribunal allowed the appeals, setting aside the impugned order. It ruled that the demand for differential CVD, penalties, and confiscation was legally unsustainable due to lack of evidence and improper application of legal provisions. Key takeaways: evidence matters, allegations must be backed by concrete evidence. Legal provisions: proper application of customs and excise laws is crucial. Judicial precedents: previous rulings play a vital role in shaping case outcomes. This case serves as a reminder for businesses to ensure compliance with customs and excise regulations and maintain transparent relationships with distributors. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.